So me and my friend threw corn out yesterday in the duck hole, so we're fixing to go see how it looks. We saw some greenhead teal yesterday and some of them wood ducks pecking on the trees and stuff. So I'll show y'all in a minute. I'll be there in about T-minus 2 minutes. Holy freaking crap. They're right here. Hold on. I gotta comment. Oh my god, they cut it. I just called all those ducks in, dude. Holy crap. I just called every single bit of those ducks in. I'm gonna take a look at them real quick. Get my scope out. Oh my gosh, dude. Greenhead teal. Oh my gosh, dude. T-shirt of Mergansers. Oh my gosh, no freaking. These ducks are so freaking weird. Oh my gosh. What is that? Oh my gosh, dude. It's a pickaxe. Or a pickaxe duck? Is that called? Shoveler maybe? I don't know. Oh my gosh. No way. No freaking way, dude. It's the long beak duck. No way. Look at that duck. What's that? Where'd it go? I think look at that duck right there. That's called a kill duck. Oh my god.